In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add two negative numbers, and we're going to use a number line to help you understand how it works. So if we have a problem like this that says model -5 plus -4 on the number line, and here we have our number line. So let me just review some of the pieces of the number line. So these are all negative integers here. All of them are negative, and the 0 is here, and then the numbers to the right of the 0 are positive integers. Okay, so left of the 0 we have negative integers. And as we go to the left, the numbers are getting smaller, and then as we go to the right, the numbers are getting bigger. Okay, so now we start at -5. Okay, so let's find -5. It's right here. Okay, then move in the negative direction 4 units. Okay, so we have to move in the negative direction 4 units because it's -4. Okay, so that means we move this way. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We end up here at -9. Okay, so that means -5 plus -4 equals -9. So basically you just add the 5 and the 4 together and you put a negative in front. When both numbers are negative, that's what you do. Okay? So that's the end of the lesson. Don't worry if you don't understand that. You could just rewatch the video. As well, if you need extra help, there's links to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this in the description. You could check those out. As well, download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link to this exact lesson. It'll take you right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.